Hello, knowledge seekers. My name is Niharika, and welcome back to my channel, Learnoji, where you can learn just by listening. Get ready to embark on a cosmic adventure as we unravel the captivating secrets of the Earth's loyal companion, the Moon. But before that, if you want to understand what natural satellite is and unfold the fascinating facts about the moons of all the planets of our solar system, you can watch my previous video where we took a voyage through the wonders of incredible moons of our solar system. Now let's have a look at some of the enchanting facts about our celestial neighbor, the Moon. Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite and is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. It has a diameter of around 3,500 kilometers and is about one-fourth the size of the Earth. The Moon weighs around 7.3 lakhs crores tons, which is about 80 times less than the mass of the Earth. It is approximately 3.9 lakh kilometers away from our planet. Were you aware that only 59% of the Moon's surface is visible to us from Earth? This is because Moon is in synchronous rotation with Earth, meaning it rotates on its axis in about the same time as it takes to orbit around the Earth. As a result, the Moon doesn't seem to be spinning. Instead, it appears to the observers from Earth to be keeping almost perfectly still. Thus, we always see the same side of the Moon facing the Earth. The unseen hemisphere is called the far side of the Moon and sometimes referred to as the dark side of the Moon. By the way, this dark side of the Moon isn't actually dark. It sees as much sunlight as the side facing the Earth. This phrase, dark side, is used just to describe something mysterious and unknown. The far side of the Moon was completely unknown to humanity until the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 captured first images in 1959. This mysterious hidden hemisphere holds secrets yet to be fully unveiled. Okay, do you have any idea if Chandrayaan 3 launched by ISRO land on the near side or far side of the Moon? If you know the answer, please drop your answers in the comment section. By any chance, if you are thinking that it's the far side, then you are probably wrong. It is indeed a significant achievement, but not because it landed on the far side, but because Chandrayaan 3, while still being on the near side, has managed to land the closest ever to the lunar South Pole, which is very close to the far side of the Moon. The Chandrayaan 3 mission aimed to investigate permanently shadowed regions near the South Pole for potential water ice and other resources. Chinese probe Chang'e 4 is the first to make a soft landing on the far side of the Moon, and till now it is the only one to do so. The part of the visible Moon goes through 8 different phases in a 29.5-day cycle as it orbits the Earth. The different phases of the Moon are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. By the way, Moon takes 27.3 days to complete its revolution but 29.5 days to change from new moon to new moon. But how is it possible? This is because the Moon is orbiting the Earth and the Earth is orbiting the Sun. So the Moon needs to travel a bit further around in its orbit to complete its cycle. So from Earth, it appears to be 29.5 days. The Moon's surface is covered in impact craters and a layer of loose fragmented material called regolith. It consists of dust, soil, and small rocks created by the impact of meteoroids and asteroids over billions of years ago. If you want to know the difference between meteors, meteoroids, comets, and asteroids? Stay tuned. We will be covering them in the upcoming video. Dark flat plains on the moon's surface were formed by the ancient volcanic activity and are composed of basaltic rock which is formed from the cooling down of lava. These regions are called the Maria. The moon is also considered a fossil planet because of the absence of any strong atmosphere, which means there is no change in weather, no wind, and no liquid water. Although moon is a satellite of the earth, ancients called it a planet because it was also a wanderer like rest of the planets. Okay, we all have studied that mass of any object on the moon is 1/6 its mass on the earth. For instance, if you weigh 60 kgs now, you will be weighing only 10 kgs on the moon. So might be a good news for some of you. Now you can simply lose your weight without dieting just by stepping on the moon. Most of you might not be aware of the fact that the moon is gradually moving away from the earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters each year. This phenomena is known as lunar recession. It affects the earth's rotation and the length of our days on earth. Billions of years ago, a day on earth was much shorter due to the moon's closer proximity. On an average, a day on Earth lasted only for 13 hours or so. The moon's surface preserves a record of the solar system's history. Its lack of atmosphere means there is no erosion, allowing craters and other features to remain relatively unchanged for billions of years. Studying these features provides scientists with valuable insights into the early solar system and processes that shape the celestial neighborhood. That's all for today. Let us continue to gaze at the moon with wonder and curiosity. This is Niharika signing off. If you found this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learnoji, where you can improve your general knowledge just by listening. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe. Bye-bye.